Hello everybody, I'm here with Jim from SafTCart. How are you doing today?
Well, how are you doing?
Good, it's always lovely to be here with you, especially in Maui, Hawaii. Does it get better than this?
No, it doesn't.
So I'm just going to ask you a couple questions today. So what does 2024 look like for SafTCart?
All right, at the moment, we've got a lot of things coming, like truck beds, trailers, that have not been delivered. That will be coming the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, probably the fourth quarter of 2024. So in that aspect, we look pretty good. As far as carts, pallets, things like that, we're optimistic, but it's an election year. So we have no idea exactly what's going to happen. Interest rates are going to run wild, and we'll see. So I'm cautiously optimistic.
That's great to hear. And tell us a little bit about that warehouse expansion you've been working on. How has it allowed SafTCart to expand your capabilities to better serve your customers?
Well, the expansion gives us more room to put more new equipment, like what we just purchased at the FabTech, because we need more equipment to help produce more products. And plus we need more room to build more truck beds and trailers. That seems to be the fastest growing part of our business at the moment. Carts do well, pallets do well, but the truck and trailer business going crazy. We're thankful.
Bread and butter. And what are SafTCart's biggest values as a company?
Our biggest values? Well, we take care of our employees, because if you don't take care of your employees, they won't take care of you.
That's right.
And that's that we look at it as a family, and most of them they've been there a long time.
Love to hear it. And last question, I just wanted to ask a little bit about what value SafTCart finds in being a GAWDA member.
Well, first of all, we get to see all our friends because we know everybody. We've been coming to these things for a long time. But you get to hear a lot of experiences when you talk to your neighbors, talk to your friends, find out what issues that they have, and it also helps you map out your road for the coming year, just because they have some insights that you might not have. But it's always good to see everybody.
Well, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.